How to fix Spotify Lite errors. To do that, what we can do is you can first head over here to your gear icon, and then from in there, just head over here to your storage. Click onto this clear cache option, click on yes, and once you have done that, this will clear the cache. After that, we need to check if your internet connection is stable. Head over to your browser and then go to fast.com. Now you should be able to see if the problem is on Spotify Lite or on your server. Next thing we can do as well is to head over and check if Spotify Lite is down. So let's search in here for that. Search in here and you should be able to see if down is server. Spotify down. And click on down detector and see if there's any outages within the app. So that's how you fix Spotify Lite errors. Hope you helped.